Have you ever looked at a space and thought, something's missing? Maybe it's not the color of the walls or the furniture hates life. And what better way to bring life indoors than with beautiful, low-maintenance, and stylish succulents? But not all succulents are created equal. Some are sculptural showstoppers, while others quietly purify your air and thrive in the darkest corners of your home. Today, we're diving into 17 of the most stunning indoor succulents that don't just survive but thrive inside your home. Stick around till the end, because number 17 is a rare gem most plant lovers have never even heard of. Aloe vera. Famous for its healing gel, aloe vera is more than just a sunburn remedy. It thrives in bright, indirect light and adds a modern sculptural touch to any room. NASA once studied aloe vera for its air-purifying abilities. Jade plant, also known as the money tree in feng shui, this thick-leaved beauty is believed to bring good fortune, and it can live for decades. Zebra haworthia. Imagine a mini aloe with tiger stripes. That's the zebra haworthia, super low maintenance and perfect for desks and small apartments. Echeveria. Often mistaken for roses, echeveria come in stunning colors: lavender, pink, mint, green. These are true showpieces on shelves and center tables. Panda plant. This one's a crowd favorite. Fuzzy, silver leaves with chocolate edges look like they're dusted with cinnamon. Burro's tail. Hang it in a macrame hanger and watch its plump, trailing stems spill over like a waterfall. String of pearls. Quirky and unforgettable, this succulent grows like a cascade of green beads. It's fragile, yes, but absolutely worth it. Snake plant. Also called mother-in-law's tongue, it tolerates low light, drought, and neglect. You basically have to try to kill it. Gasteria. Nicknamed ox tongue for its rough leaves, Gasteria is one of the few succulents that actually prefer low light. It's perfect for offices and shaded shelves. Haworthia cooperi. With its jelly-like translucent tips, this succulent looks like it's from another planet, and it doesn't need much light to stay happy. Lithops. Yes, these are plants. Lithops mimic the stones around them in the wild, making them hard to spot and even harder to forget. Dolphin succulent. Its leaves look exactly like tiny leaping dolphins. It's rare, but if you find one, grab it. Crassula. Buddha's temple. Stacked and geometric, this plant looks like it was 3D printed. A conversation starter for sure. Spiral aloe. This one's mesmerizing. Its leaves form a perfect Fibonacci spiral. Not easy to grow, but jaw-dropping. Tiger tooth aloe. Smaller than your average aloe and edged with soft spine sits, perfect for shelves and work desks. Anacampseros. This tiny succulent blushes pink and green and closes its leaves at night like it's sleeping. Adorable and compact. Little warty. The hidden gem of the list, it's a hybrid of Gasteria and aloe, and has a bumpy texture that looks like dragon scales. So there you have it, 17 indoor succulents that can instantly elevate your home style while asking for almost nothing in return. From sculptural spirals to trailing strands of pearls, these plants aren't just decorations, they're stories waiting to be told in green. But here's a question. If your favorite succulent could talk, what kind of personality would it have? Drop your answer in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think.